Okay, this is a video to show you what needs to be corrected on the spreadsheet. I've already um, corrected some of the spreadsheet, but I haven't put the values in. All right, so what I asked for first time is ask for first name, last name, street address, city, state, zip, prices, square footage, bedroom, BR, bath, days on market. Then I asked you to add additional columns for owner's address at the end that I give you additional compensation for. Owner's city, state, and if you look over, owner's zip. All right. So first things first, I did ask you to start on the PDF with number 23, but I didn't ask you to put that number 23 on the spreadsheet. So if you look down, you started at 23, and that's where you added the values to. All right. So this street address is wrong. The street address for this one for Dorothy Quimby should be the street address on the PDF. The owner's address, owner, city, state, and zip should be over here where owner, city, state, and zip. And that's what that is. This is where the person lives at. This is the subject property address on the PDF that I want you to put here. Okay? So I hope that clarifies any issues besides the ones that you couldn't find. Thank you.